Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing you don't have to go to work, not because you got fired, not because you retired, but because your money made more while you were sleeping than you could have earned in an entire day. Sounds impossible? That's exactly what most people believe. Until one ordinary day, they stop working for money, and money quietly begins working for them. But here's the part nobody tells you. That day doesn't begin in your bank account. It begins inside your mind. Stay until the end, because the final lesson is the difference between people who stay employees forever and those who eventually own the game. Chapter 1. The biggest lie. Most people wake up, trade 8 hours, receive a paycheck, repeat. They call it security. But security isn't freedom. If your income disappears the moment you stop working, you don't own money. Money owns you. Here's the twist. The wealthy aren't paid for their time. They're paid for what they own. Chapter 2. The first shift. Everything changes the day you stop asking, "How can I make more money?" and start asking, "How can money make more money?" That single question has created more millionaires than working overtime ever will. Chapter 3. Why most people never escape. This is where almost everyone fails. The first raise comes. Lifestyle improves. Bigger apartment, better phone, new car, more subscriptions. Income rises. Freedom doesn't. Every extra dollar gets another job. Instead of buying assets, people buy expenses. Without realizing it, they're upgrading their prison. Chapter 4. The invisible employee. Even business owners make this mistake. If the business cannot survive without them, they don't own a business. They own a stressful job. Real wealth begins when systems replace effort, when assets replace hours, when time becomes optional. Chapter 5. The day. Everything changes. Major twist. One morning, you wake up, open your phone. Your investments grew overnight. Someone bought your digital product. A rental payment arrived. Your business generated revenue while you slept. Nothing dramatic happened. Nobody applauded. But that was the day. The day money quietly stopped asking permission from your time and started working on its own. Chapter 6. The freedom nobody sees. The richest people don't buy Lamborghinis first. They buy options. The option to say no. The option to walk away. The option to spend time with family. The option to wait. Real wealth isn't measured by possessions. It's measured by patience. Because people with cash need opportunities. People with assets can wait forever.
Chapter 7. The silent machine. Money behaves differently, depending on who owns it. Poor people spend it. Middle-class people save it. Rich people hire it. Every dollar becomes an employee. Every investment becomes another worker. Every business becomes another machine. Eventually, you stop managing money. Money begins managing growth. One day, someone asks, "What do you do for a living?" You pause. Not because you don't know, but because your income no longer comes from a single answer. That is the day you stopped working for money. Money was never supposed to make you rich. It was supposed to buy back your time. Because one day, your time will become more valuable than every dollar you ever earn. The people who understand this stop chasing paychecks and start building systems. So here's one question. If your job disappeared tomorrow, would your money still be working? If the answer is no, today might be the perfect day to change that. If this changed the way you think about money, subscribe, because the next lesson could change the rest of your financial life.